Hi, I'm Sara Fehring with the Hamilton County Soil and Water Conservation District, and this is my helper, Maci. And yesterday, when Maci and I were taking a walk in our pasture, we found an owl pellet. Now, owl pellets are the parts of a food that the owls couldn't digest. So when owls eat, they eat their prey whole and then regurgitate what's left, like the hair and the bones. So what Maci and I are gonna do, we're gonna dissect this owl pellet to see if we can figure out what it ate for dinner or lunch. Now, we don't have any gloves, so we're just gonna wash our hands really good after we get done with this. And we don't even really have the correct tools, but we do have some tweezers and a little flosser with a pointy end that we're gonna use to look in this owl pellet. We have just done a quick dissection of this owl pellet, and as you can see, there's lots of hair and lots of little tiny bones. We did find a tooth there and a claw as well, but I'm not exactly sure what this rodent or mammal would have been. If you have any ideas, let us know.